Water. Yeah. Just quit.
Dude, yo. Messing with the movie. Stop it.
Just stop. Just wanna.
I'm gonna effing kill you with my torch. Right. No. Come on, I've been working on this project for a while now. I'll stop it, sweetie. Just give me it back. Your eyes are watering.
Probably not.
I'm gonna just do stuff for you.
What is this?
Nothing.
I think it's sober up. The fuck? Who is this? Just sober up. What the fuck? Who is this? Sober up. What the fuck? Who is this? How many times did I repeat myself?
Like 9.
I'm cooking that. You gotta watch out. It's the black hole.
This really does. This doesn't help you.
Yes, it does. Little Brad used it.
Read that. I've already read it. It doesn't help.
Niacin?
You have to
It
get
does.
a different bottle. You have to get the tail one.
Oh yeah, it's not that.
You just spit all over me. When did you get this?
I'm dying.
When did you get this? Drooling. When did you get this? Don't move. You can do it. Just like a month ago.
A long time ago.
Did you get it yet?
Yeah. Thank you. Taste gross. I just ate up for the black hole. Niggas. I'm a rebel. I don't have any. Stop it.
It's marijuana.
Niggas. So what you want to do? You want to Philip be playing card 4?
You're gonna go have gnarly dreams.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You just taste it.
Yeah. Can't post this shit on Facebook.
Watch me. I'm tagging you in it too.
If you do that, I'll be mad. You can't do that, because my friends who can't start like that. So then you get different of you, Krista.
Different of you?
Okay, grammar quiz is this what? Get out of here, teacher.
I'm putting you out.
No.
I am.
Why?
Because it's fun.
Oh, really?